Yep, it's a melon. I already knew. Alright guys, we're talking about a unique little melon tester pattern today. Stag Sunday. I'm a day late, so we're doing Stag Sunday on a Monday. Very pretty little melon tester. Szankovits from Hungary. I assume RM might be for rust-free metal, stainless. This one is not marked Hungary like some of the other examples I've seen on the internet. Melon testers don't really appeal to me, but obviously this one having stag handles and traditional construction kind of caught my eye and had to pick it up. Now these are made in Hungary by the Szankovits family, and the Szankovits family has a long history of cutlery making beginning in 1883. I think they're on their 4th generation now of cutlery making in the Szankovits family. They use old world tooling and construction methods to construct various styles of traditional knives. Examples of the Szankovits knives in the States are limited because of the conservative ways of the Szankovits family. Internet sales are non-existent for new knives. It is listed on the Szankovits Museum website. We personally sell all our knives only in Szentendre, which is the city they're located in Hungary. So, not a whole lot of these around. This knife's seen minimal use. Hammered pins, holding the stag in place, nickel, silver, everything else, well, brass liners, obviously. A little brass end cap there on this bolster. Seems like a high quality knife, and having a stag melon tester in the collection is just really cool to go with the rest of the stag knives. The only complaint I have with this one is the blade. It's not exactly centered. Kind of favors that right side. But still. An awesome knife. If y'all get to do a little reading on the Szankovits family, I'd highly recommend it. It's pretty neat little story, and I feel lucky to own one. On some of the knife forums, it said that most of these come in with Hungarian immigrants up around New York and Pennsylvania. So I'm just kind of wondering how this one got to the States. I wish it could talk better than it does. Better than it already does. But anyways, guys, I'm going to try to keep this one short and sweet. And here is one last look at the Szankovits stag handled melon tester. This is Hillbilly Proud. Y'all have a good one.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.